Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix the error occurring on Clash Royale. So if you are facing various error on Clash Royale but you don't know how to fix it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. And if your device is connected to Wi-Fi and any kind of data and your game is not working smoothly and facing various types of error, then you just need to turn on the airplane mode for a few seconds, which helps to reset the network settings of the device. So simply turn it off and turn on the Wi-Fi back and open the game and check if you are still facing the issue or not. So if you are still facing the issue, you just need to open Play Store or App Store on the device, and from here you just need to search the app Clash Royale and check if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any update available for the app, you just need to click on the option of update and it will help you to fix the error which are occurring on the app. And yet if you are still not able to fix the issue, then you just need to simply long press on the app and click on the button uninstall, and you just need to delete the app and reinstall it again from the App Store or Play Store. So by doing all of it, you'll be able to fix the various issues which are occurring on the Clash Royale app. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.